in Bitcoin value right now, this is above 20 US dollars for one ASIMI token. So this is crazy. This was just back in so that's 2019-01. So 12th January, this is where the price was for each ASIMI. Earning cryptocurrency with hashing space is completely free because of this new button that was released earlier this year. So this allows you to earn free ASIMI tokens, and then this is the paid one. So today I'm going to be focusing on the price chart, on how to determine the actual price of ASIMI token every single day, because I've seen people commenting on the videos. They're trying to see what is the current ASIMI token. So I'm going to be explaining exactly how you can see the price so that you keep up to date with the price and see and sell your coins at the highest price possible. So I'm going to be taking you through that today. And if you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and like the video. Also check out the Telegram group through the link that I'm going to leave in the description, where we talk about this more ways to earn money, or if you just need help with anything, I'll be able to help you out there. In today's video, as I said, we're going to be I'm going to be showing you how to read these charts, and I'm going to be showing you the way we actually use to withdraw coins, our ASIMI tokens, so that we can actually sell them for Bitcoin, which then we sell for PayPal Cash or Payee, whatever other ways you want to convert your currency into actual cash. Or some of us, I know, we actually just use cryptocurrency to spend online and so forth. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. So basically, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard. I only have about 556. So you might be thinking that's actually from my 47 referrals, but I'm going to show you right now that you don't need to have referrals for this. I've shown you in the previous videos that you don't need to have referrals to earn so much with hashing space. It's all about you spending that 20 to 40 minutes every single day to view all the ads, because that actually gives you like this. As you can see, this is the previous day, 4 September, which was yesterday. So as you can see, view to earn, I earned 6 ASIMI tokens all on my own. Okay, I also earned view to earn affiliate commission of 3, but as you can see, it fluctuates every single day. The other day it was 1.7, but I know for myself with view to earn, I can earn 5.7, about 5 ASIMI every single day. As you can see right now, I just hit 6 ASIMI in a single day, totally for free, no investment. So you don't necessarily need affiliates to be able to earn a lot of ASIMI here, but it can help you to increase your earnings. So I also earn from the minting that I purchased, that I kind of invest. So it's like an investment where you earn interest, because every single day, as you can see, the stakes is being returned to me every single day in portions, so bit by bit, but I also keep all the profits that I make on that. So it's sort of an investment where you're earning interest, but then it's like really high, because this stake that I purchased was only like 60 to 100 ASIMI tokens, but as you can see, I'm earning this for 365 days, for as long as I log in and watch these 2 ads. For 7 seconds each ads, I'll earn that every single day for 365 days, which is like a bargain. So if you're looking into investing also into this hashing space, I'll really recommend it, because as you can see, it actually does pay off. So anyways, going back to where we were, so transactions, if I can just show you my withdrawal history so that we get started with this right now. So I'm going to show you my transactions that I made. This is the only transaction that I've made so far. So withdrawal total was only 45 ASIMI, as you can see. So as you know, to be able to withdraw this, you need your ASIMI tokens to be worth just over either $50 or more. So the worth of your ASIMI tokens must be $50 US or more. So as you can see, I withdrew 45 ASIMI tokens here. This was on the March 21st. So this year, March 21st, I withdrew this 45 ASIMI tokens, and then the value was pretty much high, as you can tell. So it actually gave me quite a lot of money here. If I can go to my DEX, so let me just log back in here. It gave me quite a lot of money. I'm going to show you where where I actually went through. So this is the DEX, Waves DEX. So this is where you keep your ASIMI tokens. So to be able to make transactions, you need to buy this Waves token. I just bought 0.56 because that's all. You don't need so much for transactions. This is just to pay for transactions that you perform here. But anyways, let me just scroll down to the ASIMI. So this is the ASIMI account. As you can see, I want to show you transactions. So right here, as you can see, minus 27. So I sold 27 of the 45 that I withdrew, right? Around 27 March. And this is the amount of Bitcoin that I got. This is 0.01, and in today's value, 0.01. That's over 150. That's over 105 US dollars or so. So as you can see, it's above $100. So it's above $100. Just 27 ASIMI was worth $100, over $100 worth of Bitcoin. So as you can see, that's why I'm saying right now, if you stake your ASIMI, you're obviously gonna get a lot of money, because it's worth a little. It's worth it's still undervalued right now. So which means it's a lot of money for you if once the price goes back to where it usually is. So as you can see, plus 45 that I withdrew. So that was today's value. Obviously, it's now down to just $2.63, which is crazy, which is actually insane. But as you can see, when I transacted it, just minus 27 was worth over $100 worth of Bitcoin. So yeah, as I'm saying, this is a great opportunity for you to start today, so that you can actually make some easy money with this. So as you see, this is the wallet that we're going to be using to transact and then to trade. So basically what I want you to do when you come here, you want to obviously look at the exchange. So you withdraw your tokens, and then the ones that are in here, you want to use the exchange. So here we can trade our ASIMI token for different currencies. I prefer Bitcoin and Ethereum at most, but you can choose whatever cryptocurrency that you prefer to exchange it for. So let me just type in ASIMI there, and then you see the all the available pairs that you can trade your ASIMI for. And then obviously they come at different prices. In Ethereum it says its own price and so forth. So let me just show you. So as you can see, you can trade it for BTC, which I recommend. Right now, as you can see, that's the price, the current price that you can sell it, the best price that you can sell it for. And there's 842 worth Bitcoins available, so there's plenty of volume. ASIMI with waves 0.05. So you can, as you can see, US dollar, liquid ETH, as you can see, just a lot, Zcash, Bitcoin Cash, Bash, Euro, whatever you want to trade it for. So as you can see, all these coins are available for you to trade your ASIMI for. So there's plenty of them. So once right now ASIMI is only listed on one exchange. So the best part is that once it's start listing on different exchanges, the price is obviously going to go up, because the demand is going to increase, because it has to be shifted from one exchange to all these other exchanges. So I'm just waiting for that opportunity when they start making it available to be traded on different exchanges, like you know, the big ones that we mostly use, Hotbit, Yorbit Exchange, you know, all these big exchanges. So once it's listed on there, this is gonna be a great opportunity for those who have ASIMI stake. So I'm just gonna maximize this chart right here. I want to show you something. So as you can see, the price is basically just going down. Waves. Okay, sorry, this is the waves with BTC. Let me just go back and select ASIMI with BTC, and then show you the chart. I want to show you where the price is coming down from, and then the potential of it going back all the way up there, and see that's the great opportunity for you to actually sell your tokens at that price. So let me just show you right now. So ASIMI with BTC. So open. Okay, I don't have any open orders, but if we just look at the order book first before we go to the chart, I just want to show you something right here on the order book. So as you can see, this is the last price, the current price that you want to sell at right now. If you have your ASIMI token, so you can. These are selling orders, right? These are people who are selling their ASIMI at this price, and then these are buyers ready. So if you go into the market right now and fulfill these orders, you obviously get that amount of Bitcoin. If you have 796. If you have 796 ASIMI, you can actually get 0.004 Bitcoin, which is around $50. Yeah, just below $50 for 796 ASIMI tokens. You get around between $40 and $50. So as you can see, you can come and fill these orders and instantly get your ASIMI tokens, right? So as you can see, these are also. So this person is also offering this amount. So this is the amount of ASIMI that you need to sell to make this amount of Bitcoin right there that is available at this price. So as you can see, you can come in and sell your Bitcoins right now. But what I wanted to show you is that, as you can see, this price Here at this price right now, there's only 0.016 Bitcoin available to be sold. So once this is sold, then obviously we are moving to the new price, which whereby there's only 0.02 Bitcoin to be sold. So you can see this goes up. Once these orders are filled, the price is going up. So once all these orders are filled, and remember, ASIMI Space keeps on increasing their products, so which means the more products that they're increasing, the more ASIMI tokens that are going to be bought. So these orders are going to be filled more and more as ASIMI as ASIMI Space grows, and therefore pushing the price all the way up. As you can see, all this just 0.1 Bitcoin, 0.1 less than 1 Bitcoin, all of this less than 1 Bitcoin. So as you can come now, as you can see, once we are up here, so this is 4 zeros and a 5, almost a 6. But once we are up here where the 1 Bitcoin is, so after all these orders are filled, this is where the new price will be. As you can see, that will be 0.001, which I believe is around $1 or so. Right now, with the current price, that's about $1. So once this reaches, as you can see, there is amount of just 1,200 ASIMI tokens being sold at that price. So there's a sum of 1 Bitcoin available. So once these orders are filled, as you can see, the price just keeps on going up. That's how this price chart actually works. So as you can see, there's not a lot of ASIMI that is actually available for sale at those okay, except for this point right here. I think we're going to take some time at this point, which is at for it to break through this zone right there. But this is only just a 0.2 sum of BTC, so it's not a lot. Also, it will actually get filled quite quickly. So as you can see, so what I would recommend for you to do is, if you withdraw your coins and you want to sell them at the highest price possible, this is the best price. As you can see, there's a 1,931 Bitcoin. This is where the price is going to go to when this is where the price, the target is actually. This is where the price is going to go up to sometime in the future. As you can see, there's a lot of orders that are waiting right there, and this price in BTC is 3.6 Bitcoin, which is crazy to say, but there's a possibility of this happening. So I would recommend that you sell there and then at least start selling where this 1 Bitcoin is, because that's where Bitcoin, one ASIMI will be worth at least $1 according to Bitcoin's value today. So just go through the market orders if you already withdrew your ASIMI tokens, and then start selling them here, because you also want to be in line, so that once that you don't want to be here, start selling once the orders are actually big, like maybe, because every day people are putting their orders there, so you can go up all the way to 100 Bitcoin, and you don't want that, right? You want to be in early, so that when the orders are fulfilled, you're one of those first people to actually get your orders fulfilled. So anyways, now let's take a look at the chart at where the price came down from. So as you can see, the graph is not very nice, but as you can see, this is how the graph looks. Let me just change the time frame to let's change this time frame to 1 day. So this is where you change your time frame to show. So let's set it to 24 hours. So this, and then we're gonna, the graph looks a bit neater. So as you can see, this price has hit its resistance. So what I mean by it is its support. So what I mean by that is that there's no way the price is gonna break through this zone. Like as you can see, it's been there for a couple of days now. Like it just keeps on, it's consolidating there. So the only way to go now, it has to be up. So it might go up, down a little bit, but not to way too much. As you can see, it is trying to break through this point of support, but then it's just having a hard time doing that. So the only way to go, it has to be up, to retrace all the way up to where it used to be. So if you can go back in time on this graph quickly, I just want to show you where the price actually came from. So as you can see, this is where the price used to be, 0.002, as you can see in that corner right there. So that's in Bitcoin value right now, this is above $20 for one ASIMI token. So this is crazy. This was just back in so that's 2019-01. So 12th January, this is where the price was for each ASIMI, and then it dropped, and then it tried to reboot again. It went all the way up here in what is this, 28th of January. Also, it went all the way back to above $22 worth of Bitcoin, and then as you can see, it went down, but then, so we are waiting for it to just at least hit back that $1, which is just right here, right? which is just right here. Looking at the graph, this is more than possible. There's a great possibility of this happening in the near future in less than 12 months. I'm pretty sure this can happen. This can happen in less than 12 months. As you can see, the graph is way close to that point. But if we can go back to where it actually started, so let's just see. So right here, as you can see, the prices were also low, but then it went all the way up when they introduced their new products, right? So people are buying the ASIMI tokens, and then it went all the way up. So now with new products and all these products that Hashing Space is putting out there, the price has to go back up. It has to go back up, and we're just waiting for that point so that we can sell our ASIMI tokens for the greatest value possible. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found some value in it. So this is the DEX exchange. You can download it through links on your Hashing Space. So if you come on Hashing Space, you'll be able to download or under the getting started, and then they'll show you everything, and then you can go and download this for your PC or for your mobile phone. I recommend you keep it on both, and then keep your back phrase secure, because once you lose that, then you lose all your tokens. There's no way of actually getting back. So just go through this video training right there, and then you'll be able to actually get started and see and download your Waves DEX, and then start making transactions and selling your ASIMI tokens. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. If you haven't joined this family, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.